Welcome to the wonderful world of gardening. Transforming your backyard into a verdant paradise is a truly rewarding endeavor. Whether you have a sprawling lawn or a compact balcony, the joys of gardening are within your reach. With a little know-how and a dash of creativity, you can create an outdoor haven that brings you joy and tranquility. This essay will guide you through some simple yet effective tips and hacks to make your gardening journey a success. From creating privacy with fencing to nurturing seeds into thriving plants, we'll cover it all. So grab your gardening gloves and let's embark on this exciting adventure together. Remember, gardening is a journey, not a race. Take your time, experiment, and most importantly, have fun. The rewards of connecting with nature and witnessing the fruits of your labor are immeasurable. Let's begin by creating a sense of seclusion and privacy with the timeless elegance of cedar fencing. Creating a sense of privacy is paramount to fully enjoying your backyard oasis. Cedar fencing offers a natural and aesthetically pleasing solution. The rich, warm tones of cedar wood blend seamlessly with any garden setting, exuding rustic charm and elegance. Cedar is renowned for its durability and natural resistance to rot and decay. This makes it an ideal choice for outdoor structures like fences, ensuring they withstand the test of time and the elements. The distinct aroma of cedar adds another layer of sensory delight to your garden, repelling insects naturally. When installing cedar fencing, consider the height and style that best suit your needs and preferences. A taller fence provides enhanced privacy, while a shorter fence creates a more open and inviting atmosphere. Lattice panels can be incorporated for added visual interest and to support climbing plants. Now let's explore how to infuse your cedar fence with vibrant bursts of color and texture. With your cedar fence providing a beautiful backdrop, it's time to inject vibrant colors and textures into your garden. Flowering plants are a surefire way to achieve this, adding cheer and life to your outdoor space. Consider a mix of annuals and perennials for continuous blooms throughout the seasons. Petunias, geraniums, and impatiens are excellent choices for vibrant pops of color. For a touch of elegance, opt for roses, lavender, or hydrangeas. Planter boxes are a fantastic way to maximize vertical space and add dimension to your garden. Attach them to your cedar fence at varying heights to create a stunning visual display. Choose planter boxes made from weather-resistant materials like cedar, redwood, or composite. Now let's create a cozy seating area where you can relax and enjoy the beauty of your garden. A well-designed seating area transforms your backyard into an inviting outdoor living space. Choose a spot that offers both privacy and a pleasing view of your garden. Consider the amount of natural light and shade the area receives throughout the day. Invest in comfortable and durable outdoor furniture that can withstand the elements. Wicker, wrought iron, and teak are popular choices for their durability and timeless appeal. Add plush cushions and throws for extra comfort and a touch of style. Create a sense of intimacy by arranging your furniture in a circular or semicircular layout. This encourages conversation and creates a more welcoming atmosphere. Add a small side table for drinks and snacks. Now let's explore the benefits of artificial turf for creating a low-maintenance and lush lawn. Section 5. Lush lawns effortlessly, the allure of artificial turf. Artificial turf has become increasingly popular in recent years as a low-maintenance and aesthetically pleasing alternative to natural grass. It offers numerous benefits, including water conservation, reduced pesticide use, and year-round greenness. Artificial turf is incredibly durable and can withstand heavy foot traffic without showing signs of wear and tear. This makes it an ideal choice for patios, walkways, and play areas. It also drains exceptionally well, preventing puddles and muddy messes. When choosing artificial turf, consider the pile height, density, and color that best suits your needs and preferences. Opt for a reputable brand with a proven track record of quality and durability. Next, let's invite the enchanting sounds of nature into your garden with bird baths and feeders. Section 6. Nature's Symphony, inviting birdsong to your garden. The cheerful chirping of birds adds a touch of magic and tranquility to any garden. Attract feathered friends to your outdoor space by providing them with fresh water and a source of food. Bird baths are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also provide birds with a much-needed source of water for drinking and bathing. Choose a bird bath that is shallow and has a rough surface to provide birds with a secure footing. Bird feeders come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and styles to attract different bird species. Choose a feeder that is appropriate for the types of birds in your area. Fill it with high-quality bird seed that is free of fillers and chemicals. Now let's illuminate your garden with the warm glow of outdoor lighting. Section 7. Magical evenings, illuminating your outdoor space. Outdoor lighting extends the enjoyment of your garden into the evening hours, creating a magical ambiance for relaxation and entertainment. String lights, lanterns, and spotlights are all excellent choices for adding a touch of enchantment. String lights strung across your patio or along your fence create a festive and inviting atmosphere. Choose LED string lights for energy efficiency and long-lasting illumination. Lanterns placed strategically throughout your garden add a touch of whimsy and romance. Spotlights can be used to highlight focal points in your garden, such as trees, sculptures, or water features. Choose spotlights with adjustable heads to direct the light where you need it most. Now let's delve into the rewarding world of seed starting, nurturing life from tiny beginnings. Section 8. Seed Starting 101. Nurturing life from tiny beginnings. Starting plants from seeds is a rewarding and cost-effective way to fill your garden with an abundance of blooms and greenery. It allows you to experiment with different varieties and witness the miracle of life unfold before your very eyes. Choose a seed starting mix that is specifically formulated for seedlings. It should be lightweight, well-draining, and free of pests and diseases. Moisten the mix before filling your seed trays or pots. Plant your seeds at the depth recommended on the seed packet. Some seeds require light to germinate, so sprinkle them on the surface of the soil instead of burying them. Cover the trays or pots with a humidity dome or plastic wrap to create a warm and moist environment. Once your seedlings have germinated, remove the humidity dome or plastic wrap and provide them with plenty of bright indirect light. Water them regularly, keeping the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Now let's explore the art of potting, choosing the perfect vessels for your plants. Section 9. Potting Power. Choosing the perfect vessels for your plants. Pots and containers allow you to enjoy the beauty of plants even if you have limited garden space. They come in a wide variety of materials, sizes, and styles to complement any decor. When choosing pots for your plants, consider the size and growth habit of the plant, as well as the material and drainage of the pot. Terracotta pots are porous and allow for good air circulation, but they can dry out quickly. Plastic pots are lightweight and inexpensive, but they don't breathe as well as terracotta pots. Ceramic pots are available in a wide range of colors and designs, but they can be heavy and breakable. Ensure that your pots have adequate drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Use a high-quality potting mix that is specifically formulated for container gardening. Now, let's turn our attention to planting directly in the earth, giving roots room to grow. Section 10. Planting in the earth. Giving roots room to grow. Planting directly in the ground allows your plants to establish strong root systems and thrive in their natural environment. Before you begin planting, prepare the soil by removing any weeds, rocks, or debris. Amend the soil with compost or other organic matter to improve its drainage, fertility, and water-holding capacity. Dig a hole that is twice as wide as the plant's root ball and just as deep. Gently remove the plant from its container, being careful not to damage the roots. Loosen any circling roots with your fingers. Place the plant in the hole so that the top of the root ball is level with the surrounding soil. Backfill the hole with soil, tamping it down gently to remove any air pockets. Water the plant thoroughly to help it settle into its new home. Finally, let's wrap up with a call to action and a positive closing remark. Section 11. Conclusion. Embrace the joy of gardening. Gardening is a journey of discovery, creativity, and connection with nature. By incorporating these tips and hacks into your gardening routine, you can transform your backyard into a vibrant and inviting oasis. Remember, gardening is an ongoing process of learning and experimentation. Don't be afraid to try new things, make mistakes, and learn from your experiences. Embrace the joy of getting your hands dirty and witnessing the fruits of your labor. So go ahead and unleash your inner gardener. Create a backyard haven that brings you peace, joy, and a sense of accomplishment. Happy gardening!